We all know this is an LPG gas cylinder. Full name of LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. Main composition of LPG is butane and propane. Butane remains 65%, whereas propane remains 35%. The molecular formula of butane is C4H10, where the propane is C3H8. The structure of butane and propane are given here. All carbons are single bonded each other and hydrogen also. But here the most interesting thing is that both butane and propane are highly flammable and odorless, colorless. But when in our kitchen LPG gas leaks, then we find a peculiar smell. This is why? This is due to the presence of ethyl thiol. Another name of ethyl thiol is ethyl mercaptan. The structure of ethyl thiol is C2H5SH. Due to this compound, we find the peculiar smell. Thanks.